Our process for designing Awaken began with the exploration of various techniques.
We really started out with a lot of hands-on processes like watercolor and acrylic, just to give it a hand-drawn effect.
And vibrant brush strokes that really gave this rounding effect to the design with the human hand approach.
Next, with new AI technology, we began to explore how this artwork could be reimagined by blending different paintings, textures, and drawings without the use of prompts. The Awaken collection is designed using our new ColorCraft Pro technology. The patterns in the collection were designed to really show off the capabilities of this machine and its expansive color range.
We're also highlighting our ability to create custom-shaped rugs with several unique designs that reflect the organic edges of a watercolor painting.
Awaken is designed to ground spaces that make people feel inspired. An experiential moment when they walk into a hotel and they see all of these designs throughout the space.